Hisarlar was established in 1973 in a small body shop owned by the Tuncel family. The family was producing tractor cabins. The business gradually evolved into a substantial industrial enterprise. Today, you'll hear a melody from the Hisarlar plant as you drive through the Çukurhisar region of Eskişehir. This is the symphony of our passionate work. It's as if metal rediscovers itself as it's reshaped into a piece of art. The procedure starts by sandblasting all the dirt and rust away. The spotless, smooth metal is then cut with lasers and bent and twisted as required until it reaches its final form. Naturally, some of the larger pieces need to be molded into more challenging forms. Only plasma cutters can do the job in such cases. Remote-controlled plasma and laser cutters send the finished items down the production line with impeccable precision and without the slightest margin of error. Another application area is the CNC processing plant, where the larger, heavier, and more difficult pieces are forged. These machines turn out flawless products, well proving the value of the technological investment made for them. Despite being produced in entirely different parts of the world, the components fit together with perfect precision, since they all go through a three-dimensional measuring process. The most critical phase of production is the welding process. As they are welded, metal components are joined forever by the hands of our skilled masters, of whom we are very proud, or by the hands of robotic arms. The metal is protected from corrosion in large cataphoresis coating pools. The parts are then sent down to be painted before the final phase. During this process, parts weighing less than 10 tons are fired in fully automatic conveyor and painting ovens up to 150 degrees centigrade. All finished parts are handled and transferred with great care prior to assembly. Iron and steel casts are formed on production lines longer than the Bosphorus Bridge. All this is done in an ever-expanding plant with a current size of 45,000 square meters, equal to 9 soccer fields. The products manufactured in this plant are then sent to renowned brands throughout the world. This plant meets half of Turkey's demand for tractor cabins. Our products include agricultural machinery and spare parts, construction machinery parts, machinery components, chassis frames, and machine parts for the defense industry. We proudly produce them all. The respect we enjoy in the agriculture industry is due to our ability to foresee and fulfill the expectations of Turkish farmers. We take pride in launching the first research and development center for agricultural machinery in Turkey. For the past 40 years, this plant has been responsible for producing agricultural machinery and equipment with distinctive industrial designs to meet the needs and requirements of farmers. These machines work and mold the earth as they give it life. Introducing Turkar, the first ever 4x4 multi-purpose off-road truck produced in Turkey. This vehicle is a source of pride for us as it is made with 85% domestically produced components. The Turkar is a true champion. It can transform into any shape or form to meet the situation. A fire engine, a military or touring vehicle, a search and rescue vehicle, an ambulance, or a snowplow. Turkar can handle any terrain or climate. It stands up to the challenges of off-road conditions. We're driven by the desire to build the best. The relentless quest for quality in every stage of production is the beacon we follow. This is how we do it. Hisarlar's constant improvement system ensures that all employees are involved in the manufacturing process. This system also allows on-site identification of problems as well as a simplified manufacturing process. A customer-centric approach and Kaizen enhancements have made us a major global player. Identify, plan, implement, monitor, take measures. In other words, we create harmony between all production units. In addition to reducing the use of raw materials, time, and labor, we have also cut costs and sped up processes. The desire to establish a system with the lowest costs and highest expertise brought with it new research and development efforts. We're among the few companies with a research and development center in Turkey. Our objective is to achieve continuous growth, accumulation of expertise, and maximum productivity. Our employees, our craftsmen, our artists. In short, these are the very heart of our investment. Our people, our pride and joy. We train our personnel and nurture our craftsmen. They become specialists with internationally recognized training certificates upon completion of our in-house training programs. Thanks to our people's initiative, we've cultivated a pool of common awareness that welcomes diverse ideas and suggestions. We encouraged people, and in return, we shared the rewards together. We've changed the rules of production. We've improved and developed them. The outcome demonstrates the fruits of our efforts. Today, Hisarlar continues to offer innovative and cutting-edge technological solutions to farming professionals who mold the earth. We strive to improve the quality of life for all. With honesty, teamwork, and dedication, Hisarlar pursues perfection with strength and competence. We not only produce at this plant, but create our own philosophy. A philosophy that considers the production process a form of art and perfection a must. We believe to produce is an art.